Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be unboxing two Birchbox. I just signed up for it and it was just for this 1 month because I really want to see how it is, and you'll see why in a second why this is going to be my only month. But this is the box of the month of June. This is the box that they send you for free and it is called a mystery box. So we're going to go ahead and open both of these up today and just see what we got. Let's open up the June box first. And this is supposed to be curated based on my profile. This is $15 a month. If you buy for 6 months, I do believe you can get for, all I know is you get it cheaper if you buy for more than 1 month at a time. Okay, and here's a little card. The theme this month is Summer is Here, and it has a list of the products on the back, which would be their full-size versions because these are all deluxe size samples. Okay, and the box has yellow tissue paper like this. Not necessarily always going to be yellow, but tissue paper from what I've noticed so far. And you open it up and it looks, this is what my products look like inside the box. Okay, and the first thing I'm pulling out is BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's a heat UV protectant primer. And this is the bottle here. Full-size version of this is to set the value at $28. I'm not super thrilled about getting hair care products. I don't do much with my hair. I barely ever straighten it. Most of the time I just throw it up in the mom bun. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out here is Aragan Oil Cleansing Gel. That's a cute little container. Let's see what this one said to value at full price. $24 full price for this. Probably only get like a couple face washes out of this, but at least you get to get like the feel for the item before you just go out and buy it. Which is why I would think that some people would prefer this subscription box just to be able to try out things before you buy it if that's what you're into. I kind of got this box because I said in this channel I would be doing different things, showing different boxes for all different types of people. So that's why I got this box, even though it's not necessarily the box for me. I'm sure there's someone that there is this box for. The next thing I'm pulling out here is from Jecca Blac, and it's Glow Drops Highlighting Face Primer. And I feel like we just got something similar to this in BoxyCharm. This to me looks like it's full size. Okay, this is $20 full size. I'm not sure if this is full size or not, but it's a pretty decent amount of product in there. And next, Sand and Sky is the brand, and that's Australian M Apple Super Bounce Mask. And this is said to value at $61.90 for a full size. I would never spend that much full size on a mask. This will probably give me maybe one facial treatment out of it, but that's okay. It's something just to try. Then we got Radiant Skin Moisturizer by Arrow, and this is said to value at $24 full size. I do like that it has aloe, a lightweight moisturizer that has subtle sheen and illuminate your skin, and hyaluronic acid and aloe to hydrate and soothe. Use in the morning alone or under makeup. Okay, and there's that last thing in there. Not super thrilled. But for somebody that really is into skincare, even though my profile said makeup, but you know, this might be a really good box for you just to try out different things before you buy it. And then let's go ahead and open up my mystery box. Okay, oh, that's cool. It has another little card on top, and it has also the value of the full-size products inside. However, this is very sad, and I'm going to show you all why. You see right here on the tissue paper, something had obviously spilled in here. So I did contact customer service and let them know. They did say they were going to replace this box. However, I haven't received a shipment confirmation yet, and I don't want to jump the gun and say they're going to do that because I've had instances in the past with companies who said that they would fix something for me, and it's been months later and I still have not had it fixed yet. So This is the shampoo and conditioner that had come inside, and I do believe it was the shampoo that leaked all over my bag. Okay, both of them are said to value at $20 for full size. It says laughter is best and winter is coming is the scents for these. I don't really want to open them. My hands are already super sticky from them spilling all over my bag. And as you can see, it also spilled all over my other products in here. Next thing is the Bare Minerals Lip Lacquer. And I'm really excited to see at least one makeup product in here. It's in the shade Pout. And I do have lip product on. It actually looks pretty similar to the color I have on. That is the color right there. Pretty color. Very shiny. I like the shinier looking lip glosses. So at least we got one makeup thing in here. Yay! Okay, and then what else do we have in here? A Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. It says 2% hyaluronic acid to show release vitamin C to help plump and brighten morning skin. And it says this one is valued at $52 full size. And it's sealed, so I'm just going to keep it sealed just in case I'm going to give any of this stuff away later. And this last thing is from Paris, and it's a Hydro 24 Plus Cream Gelace. And let's see what this is, because I'm not really sure. It says, this is Silky Rich Cream Moisturizer, melts into skin for intense 24-hour hydration. Apply over face after cleansing morning and evening. And the full size of that one is said to value at $48. So that's everything I received from my Birchbox. If you want to see more videos like this, if you like subscription boxes, if you like BoxyCharm, makeup in general, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video so you have easier access to more videos like this. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.